Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw something extremely creepy. We're gonna draw Slendrina's daughter. So here's my full pencil sketch sped up, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this extremely creepy looking character, and I didn't want to draw this because this thing really creeps me out and I really hate spiders, and this thing reminds me of a spider. But I know that a lot of you guys have requested it, so that's why I'm going to draw this. And the good thing is, it is very easy to draw. Alright, so to begin, we're going to draw in the overall head shape first, and then we'll add in the details inside. Alright, so we're going to start on the top side. So it's just going to be like a half circle for the skull. And then from here, we're just gonna come down the side. It's almost like an egg shape, but it's gonna be a lot sharper on the bottom. And now we'll continue down, just pinch everything in. And then close this off. So just a regular head shape. And then from here, for the details, we're gonna start with the eyebrow area. So just come to the center of this thing. Just draw two curves like this. It's almost like kind of like a Spider-Man mask. Alright, and then from here, almost a full circle, just come down. Now we're drawing the, I guess the eyeballs inside. Same thing here. Alright, once we have that, we can connect this, and this part's gonna be black. And even right here in the corner. So it actually is very much like the Spider-Man mask, except the eyeball shape is different. Okay, so just close this off. We'll just shade this black. All right, and then for the nose, we'll just come down. Very simple. And then now for the mouth, just draw kind of like a sad face like this first. And then it's gonna be open. Okay, so we'll just draw a line like that, and let me shade this in real quick. Alright, and you're gonna add in just a little bit more detail. We can just add in some of these wrinkles. Alright, so that's the head, and now for the body. So the body is very simple. We're gonna draw this bottom part first, the chest area. So just come down. We'll just curve all the way around. And then from here, come to the top. I guess this will be kind of like the back area. So we'll leave a little bit of space right here for the arm. And then for the arm, let's go ahead and draw in this one first. So right here, let's start on the top. We'll just angle up. Now for this part here, we'll add a little bit of a musculature here. Just curve in, and then come back here on the bottom. Okay, so we're just adding a little bit of a crease there. So here's the elbow. So now we'll come back down. Same thing here. And then now for the hands. Let's draw an angle like this first. This will be the back of the hand. And then here, this is gonna be his thumb. And then now there's gonna be 3 fingers here. So I'm gonna extend this. And then from here, I'm going to extend this. Now, come back in. So that's going to be 1 finger, 2, space in between, just 1 more finger. Okay, and then let's see, the other one's going to be pretty much the same, but just reverse. So again, we're going to go up. Let's add the musculature here. So I'm going to curve up and start on the bottom right here. Curve. Again, elbow. So I'm just going to come down, and don't worry, if your angle is different, we can always just kind of give them different poses, so it doesn't have to be exactly the same. All right, and the same thing here, the hands. Here's the back of the hand. Here's the thumb. Now we're going to go out. 1, 2. Same thing here. curve in for the fingers. Now whatever space you have here, one more finger inside. All right, and then now for the extremely creepy looking legs, and this part is it's very simple. So we'll just start right around here. We'll just go up, come down, just extend this slightly. We're gonna start right here. That way it looks a little bit more three-dimensional. Just round it out. Okay, so same thing here. Angle all the way up. Same thing here. We're gonna start on the bottom, come down, and then close it off. Alright, so that is it for this extremely creepy Slendrina's daughter. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.